Go.
Hi, welcome to MyMathYourMath. Subscribe if you haven't.
Yo, welcome to My Math, Your Math. Today a really short one, exp of x. What is that? Let's talk e, the exponential function or the exponential constant. What's e? E is actually an irrational number, sort of like pi. The decimal goes on forever and ever and it's random, but we always approximate e to be roughly 2.72. Some properties of e. The non-zero property means e to the x is never going to be 0 for any x. The additive property, e raised to the x plus y is e to the x times e to the y for every x and y. And behaviors. E to the x approaches positive infinity as x approaches infinity. However, e to the x approaches 0 but will never be 0 as x approaches negative infinity. That's all for e today.